Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. If for those of you who are new, welcome to the channel. And usually what I talk about on this channel is promotion, discount, savings. On and off, I'll buy the stuff that I that I looked at, and then if it's cheap, then I'll buy them, and then I'll do the unbox, I'll do the reviews. Lately, I've been buying like a lot of toy stuff for my kids. So, but this is what the channel is all about. It's all about savings. Okay, so if you're into savings technologies, cell phone speakers, stuff like that, then you've come to the right place. So just sit back and relax and enjoy today's deals. Okay, so first off, we're looking at this is the LG Unlocked. This is LG G8X thin dual screen unlocked. Okay, so this one 120 gigabyte. And it does work with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. Sprint is now part of T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, Cricket Metro, etc. As you can see here, when it first came out, the listed price is $949, and right now you can get it for $550 off. So it come out to be about $400. So it does come with a LG 1-year warranty and a 2nd-year promise, so 2 years altogether. So let's take a look at some of the pictures here. There we go. I used to have an LG G3. I really like the phone, but however, after using it for about maybe 11 months, the SIM tray stopped reading the SIM. I sent it in and they fixed it, and maybe about a month later it became the same thing. So, but that's my experience with LG. But other than that, the phone, it was good when it was working. Okay, so this one, like memory storage capacity 6 gigabyte. Here's some of the highlight that here: 32 megabyte front camera, 136 ultra wide, and 78 degrees standard rear cameras. Balance. Quad tag, longer lasting battery, 4,000 milliamp. Okay, this is okay. Let's take a look at some of here at Amazon. You can buy with a bundle with the screen protector and all the stuff, $419. Let's see what people are saying about. Here are some of the highlights here. With the dual screens, you can actually, I think it's pretty good for those gamers. You can play them. Let's go down to some of the reviews. And okay, so this one here is if you multitasking, this phone is a dream. So I don't know what is up with all the negative reviews, but I find the phone extremely versatile and useful. The phone is meant for multitasking, not to make your screen bigger. Okay, so 4 out of 5. About a year ago, this one 4 out of 5. So here, this is in what, January, it's about 10 months ago. I gave this phone a shot after watching multiple videos and reading a lot of the review. I shouldn't have listened to any of them. After a couple of weeks, I couldn't deal with it anymore. The dual screen is a cool idea, but a pain. It's huge and bulky and unused most of the time because it makes the phone too big to be comfortable. Okay. So the most part, do not buy here. I'm excited about everyone else for the dual screen. I was so wrapped up in it, and I feel betrayed by their phone's performance. The fingerprints reader was slow and very aggravating, no matter how many times. Okay, so negative. Okay, for the most part, you get like 2 or 3 negative, but for the most part, 4.5 out of 5. So it's not bad for a $400 phone. I think this is, if you're into dual screens, this is a good buy. Okay. Next up we have is this crucial 1 terabyte NVMe. Usually I don't see the prices go down to this low for 1 terabyte, especially with this type of drive. Okay, $85. Pretty really good deal here. Okay, so like I've stated before many times, if you can use this as your boot up to boot up your system, so it'll be extremely fast. I have to send this SSD and I'm happy with it. So believe me, just buy it and you're not gonna regret. Okay, for $85. Here, let's see, read some of the review. You see this one right here. Let's go with the negative. I got this for a PS2, which was supposedly compatible with my Dell desktop, but it wasn't. Crucial sent me a replacement, which didn't work either in that desktop. I ended up putting it in another, and you see where it works fine. Crucial makes great memory and SD cards, but their tech support is mediocre and not responsive. But for the most part, everything is good. 5 out of 5. Okay. All right, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one, depending on where you live, but this whole thing right here is a Sportman's trunk olive green color for $17. Okay, and in my area, as you can see right here, it's all like very limited stocks, and you cannot even buy it in a curbside pickup, so I guess you would have to go to the store and buy it. So this seems like really sturdy, and you know, if I have time, I might probably swing by one of the Home Depot and just check it out. Okay, but let's read about it. Let's see review. Let's read about the review here. It literally saved my life. I was on the verge. I was on the verge of ending it all when I bought this amazing storage product. The quality and craftsmanship gave me new hope in humanity. Thank you 1,000 times. Great rear hatch container. Winter is around the corner, and I like to keep roadside emergency stuff in my SUV. This perfect size. So all perfect star. For $17, I think this is really, really good deal. So if you can find one at your Home Depot, I should just go ahead and buy them. This one right here, the M18 Rover 18 volt lithium cordless, 1500 lumens LED floodlights for $59. I'm not a Milwaukee fan. I don't have a lot of Milwaukee stuff. I don't have Milwaukee stuff. I only have DeWalt and Rigid. And as you know, I recently bought a Rigid light for I think $49, which come with a lifetime warranty. But for this one, for those of you who uses Milwaukee and you have a lot of batteries sitting around, this would be a great addition to your tool set. You can use it on your attic, the basement, wherever in tight spot where you need light. So for $59, you're saving about $30. Last but not least, this is the dash cams. You know, nowadays you never know what's happening. So if you install this over in your vehicle, you know, it records what you drive, and sometimes that's going to be perfect proof for insurance purposes. People hitting you, people cutting you, people brake check you, sort of stuff like that. And I've had, not this specific model, but I have installed one of the dash cams into my Acura RL, and it wasn't that hard to install with. This one, I don't think it comes with the backup camera, but you can also buy a backup camera, maybe $15, and you can install it to have a complete set. I think that's what I did with the Acura RL. So regular price for this is $59 and sale price $45. And then if you click on here, you save another $4, so it's come out about $41 for this. And looks like it's a pretty good dash cam. It has 2,722 ratings and 4.5 out of 5. So let's see a little bit about this camera. Broad, detailed video, 1080p, super wide angle lens capture the whole world in a crystal clear clarity. Superior night visions, advanced night hawk technology, and a unique wide dynamic range video system provide enhanced nightmare capture. Okay. Wi-Fi, all this stuff, loop recording, night mode, motion detections. So like I said, I'll list all the information about all the products that I have just discussed in the description. So if you guys want to check out more, feel free to do so. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notifications, because I'll be uploading, you know, if I find a lot of deals, I'll do it as many as like 1 or twice a day. Okay. But other than that, it's Sunday. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.